Hello, my dear friends. Happy Friday from Bangladesh and welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all, my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know, I am Ibrahim Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Today is Friday, 2 September 2022. Now, morning time, this Friday morning, I will try to remove polluted garbage, old plastic bottle from our village, river water and riverside. Friends, you can see behind my back our village river. The name of this village river is Elangjani. Our country is small river. Friends, this Friday morning I visiting this riverside. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage, old plastic bottle. I saw some old plastic bottle stuck in river water and riverside soil. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from here and threw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission start now. Just action. Friends, first I saw here old plastic stuck in riverside soils and one plastic bottle stuck in river water. So now I collect this old plastic from here. Another plastic stuck in riverside soils, very old plastic. So I collected this old plastic from here and plastic bottle stuck in river water. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our river water, riverside soils, nature. So I collected this plastic from here, friends, and a bag in my hand. This plastic product put in this bag রাখবো. ব্যাগে রাখবো. Another old plastic here, very old. ব্যাগে রাখবো. Friends, I saw another plastic bottle here stuck in riverside soils. আটকে ছিল old plastic bottle. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন. One more plastic here, plastic product stuck in river water. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন. Another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম নদীর তীর থেকে. One more plastic is stuck in riverside soil. So I collected this plastic product from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Friends, this river water, riverside, this Friday morning I walking here and try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic bottle. I saw here another plastic. So now I collect this plastic from here. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব. Old plastic bottle. Another plastic riverside soil plastic product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Another plastic is stuck in riverside soils, old plastic. 1, 2 old plastic, very old. I collected this from riverside village. One more plastic here. Another plastic, big plastic is stuck in riverside soils, very old polluted plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. Very bad polluted plastic, friends. another plastic here. One more plastic is stuck in riverside soils. নদীর মাটিতে নদীর তীরের মাটিতে আটকে আছে ভেরি ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক ফ্রেন্ডস, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। One more plastic here. Another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। Very old plastic is stuck in old small plastic is stuck in riverside soils. This all old plastic is really very bad for our river water, river soil. Friends, I saw another plastic here. Old plastic product, cork sheet plastic. I collected this plastic from here. Beautiful river and riverside in our village. Really beautiful natural place. Another plastic here. One more plastic product. Friends, I saw another old plastic here, old and small big. So I collected this plastic from here. Sunny morning, very hot weather. Another plastic. Riverside soils and green nature. I saw here one old plastic is stuck in this soils and green nature. Very old plastic friends. So I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here. I saw another plastic. Riverside soils and green nature. Very old plastic. So I collected this plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। One cigarette pack here. Cigarette pack, old cigarette pack. So I collected this cigarette pack from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic product here. One more plastic here. Friends, I collected many old plastic bottle, other garbage from village riverside soils and river water. Friends, full in bag. Bagটি ভরে গেছে friends. I collected polluted garbage, old plastic bottle from this riverside and river water of our village. Friends, now we stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Friends, stop this bag. Now this garbage bag threw in dustbin of municipal. Friends, finally I'll say let's we all save our natural place, riverside, river water. Friends, I threw this garbage bag in this dustbin of municipal. Thank you.